Hey guys, welcome to Education for You. So guys, here's a special video for you and this is only for the post of Panchayat Secretary. So jibilake secretary poster kane apply korise he hokolor babe projojo ei video to accountancy upor kisman questions. So asha korisu aponaloke video to sai bhal pabo. So let's start. Question number 1. Purchase for office furniture on account is related in office furniture jiti purchase kora hoy office or kisuman furniture hey furnitures bilak purchase kara karone to likha hoy ne noy account on to hetu kihor logot mane related hobo ei keta tolar options di ase number 1 journal paper proper general journal cash book special journal. So the correct answer is general journal or mane itu related hoy. Then in accounting, cost incurred in past or in the historical financial statement is classified as যে একাউন্টিংত যেটো কষ্ট মানে আগতে ইনকার করা হৈছে যেটো খৰচ হেতু কিহত মানে ক্লাসিফাই করা হৈছে ইনকার্ড কষ্ট অ্যাকচুয়াল কষ্ট পাস্ট কষ্ট নে রিয়েল কষ্ট কারেক্ট আনসার ইজ অ্যাকচুয়াল কষ্ট যেটো ক্লাসিফাই করা হৈছে then recording of financial transaction is done in financial transaction or recording keneke kora hoy trail balance books journal or none of the above correct answer is journal. Then accounts from incomplete records are often called as dash system. Incomplete jibilak record thake he account incomplete record or account ki buli koa hoy single entry double entry single account double account correct answer is single entry. Then analytical reports are based on the dash comparison of results vertical symmetrical horizontal none to analytical reports bilak কিহৰ ওপৰত বেস কৰি কৰা হয় correct answer is horizontal comparison of result বিলাকো horizontally compare কৰা হয় আনুভূমিক ভাবে compare কৰে আৰু হেতু analytical report to তৈয়াৰ কৰা হয়. Then amount received during the course of trading operations are called এটা trading operation এটা যেতিয়া হৈ থাকে এটা business এটা যেতিয়া trade এটা হৈ থাকে তেতিয়া যেটো amount receive কৰা হয় সেই during that course হেতু কি বুলি কোৱা হয় revenue receipt capital expenditure revenue expenditure correct answer is revenue receipt. Then any written evidence in support of a business transaction is called business transaction eta support of jikono ami likhito jodi ami kiba evidence proof ami jodi diu hetu ki boli koy journal ledger voucher none correct answer is voucher kiba ta kinile etu ami etu voucher likhi jitu amar slip boli koy ami amar local language etu voucher boli koy. Then during trade recession the goods are sold at trade jetia mane bepar banijor অবস্থা মানে কি হয় to অসমীয়াত এটো কি বুলি কব যেতিয়া মানে বেহা বেপাৰ তললৈ যায় like a depression অবস্থাত গুছি যায় recession যেতিয়া হয় to goods are sold at goods to কিহত sold কৰা হয় so তেতিয়া normal price high price depression price minimum price to কোনটো priceত goods to sold কৰা হয় okay the correct answer is depression price ot etu goods to sell kora hoy. Then dash is an example of wasting asset stock land mines none of them kuntu wasting asset boli koy and the answer is mines. Then the person to whom the goods are sent for sale on commission basis is called to hey ব্যক্তিজন যাক মানে গুড বা বস্তুটো কি কৰিব দিয়া হ'ব পঠিয়াই দিব দিয়া হ'ব সেল কৰিবৰ কাৰণে অন কমিশন বেসিছত সেই ব্যক্তিজনক কি বুলি কোৱা হয় consignor consignee merchant and none and the correct answer is consignee. Then depreciation account to ki hoy answer is IAS 4 and IAS or full form is international accounting standard. Then the head office prepares branch account to find out dash earned by branch to head office কি কৰে কি প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰে ব্ৰাঞ্চৰ এটা একাউন্ট প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰে to find out dash earned by branch to যিমানখিনি আৰ্ন কৰিলে তাৰ এটা মানে ব্ৰাঞ্চ একাউন্ট এটা মানে খুলে তো হেতু কি বুলি কোৱা হয় revenue dividend share profit so profit earned by branch যেখিনি profit earn কৰে okay. Then principal books of accounting is known as accounting or যিখন principal book থাকে এইখনক কি বুলি কোৱা হয় balance sheet journal ledger none And the correct answer is Ledger. Then the single entry system cannot be adopted by single entry system to adopt koribo nuari by joint stock company nuari, sole proprietorship okole nuari, partnership consent partnership or none. Kuntu hobo. Yare current answer is joint stock companies a single entry system to adopt koribo nuare. Then the process of entering all transactions from the journal to ledger is called journal or pora ledger mane jibilak transaction enter kora hoy he process to ki boli koha hoy entry accounting posting passing. Correct answer is posting. Then material of anything for which cost is to be measured is classified as jikono bostur karone jitu cost mane dam to jitia measure kora hoy hetu ki boli koha hoy accounting object budget object cost object revenue object. Correct answer is cost object. Who is the person tends the ownership right of property? Kun goraki byakti karone ownership right of property to right to mane তেওঁ মানে নিজৰ property to ownership to তেওঁ নিজে গ্ৰহণ কৰে so answer is options are lessee lessor payee payer and the correct answer is lessor. Then bad debt shown in adjustment is known as jitu mane bad debt mane beya jitu ঋণ হেতু adjustment jitu jetia show koribo hetu ki boli koha further bad debt net bad debt and the correct answer is further bad debt bahut beshi mane beya loan. Then dash loss is due to the nature of good consign. Simple, actual, normal, real. Correct answer is normal loss. Normal loss is due to the nature of good consign. Then payment of monthly rent to landlord is landlord ok jetia monthly rent pay kora hoy hetu ki boli koha substantial event, economic event, non-economic event, none of the above. Correct answer is economic event. So a 20 ta question apnalokale agborhalo. So I hope it will be helpful for you and not only for exam of secretariat. So if you are interested in this subject accountancy so you can also learn from it aru apnaloke hikibo pare aru kitiaba ei questions buro kamot ahibo pare apnalokor. Okay, so I hope you like it our bank exam or kan itu project jo hobo. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it and if you like it please hit the red button to subscribe our channel and the notification bell too. Okay friends, thank you and have a nice day ahead.